Hi there, what's up? Our bot to scrap products data from Amazon.com by using keywords is now ready. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this bot. By using this bot, you will be able to scrap all products data and export into CSV or Excel or any other format you like. So you will get this zip file, and after getting this, you will just need to extract it and go in the folder and open this exe file. And this is the user interface of our bot. Here you'll just need to put a list of keywords like cups, glass, etc. And here type your number of pages. If we type 3, for example, it will scrap 3 pages from each keywords. And if you want to apply some custom filters, check it and click start button. You can also skip this as well. So it has searched cups and showing message apply your custom filters, then click OK because we checked it. So I have also disabled images and JavaScript option just to increase the speed of our bot. So here you can change your filters, and once you change, just click start button, then the bot will scrap all the products one by one. You can also count from here. Let's maximize it, and it can scrap up to 10 images of each product. And here are the all images links separated by comma, and you can also change the theme from here, like this one and this one. And to save our time, you can see the time is 4:26 am. So I'm going to pause the video for 10 to 15 minutes. After that we will continue. Okay, it has scrapped about 62 products, and here if we see, it is now scrapping data from page number 2. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to export this scrap data. Click export button, and you can change your path where you want to export the file. If you don't want to change path, the bot will save the files in this folder. So here you can choose your output format like this one, and if you check this, it will open the file after exporting. Okay, this is our scrapped file. We can further edit this file for better appearance. Let me show. Okay, so this is our scrapped file. It has scrapped images. Let me show. Open one image. It has scrapped HD images. Okay, so this is our bot, and you can also change number of pages during scrapping. Okay, so this is our bot. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will be very happy to assist out. Thank you very much.